What's up, everybody? It's your girl Misha. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back. I'm gonna make an attempt today to put on a lace wig. I had a wig on the other day and I just turned it off and I burnt my forehead. I'm gonna make an attempt to put on a lace wig. So welcome back to my channel. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. I'm just here trying to learn how to put lace wigs on to master it. Well, I don't want to do people's hair. I want to do my hair. I've always been doing my hair. Anyway, this is a lace wig that I've got. I believe it's 36 inches. 36 or 38, one of them. Full lace. I just put some lace tint on it. Medium. Is it medium brown? Yeah, medium brown. I just sprayed it in there. It's got clips. It's got one clip there, one clip there, and one clip at the back. It's got 3 clips. Now, I don't know if I should put a stocking foot on. I don't think I'm going to put a stocking foot on. This should be alright on its own without a stocking foot. So it's really nice. So let's get started. Oh, if you hear any noise in the background, that's my kids. I'm home with my kids. It's after school hours. Got to be. Yeah, the grey hairs are showing, boy. But I keep dyeing them. It don't make no sense. Because I always got wigs on. Try and save these edges, boy. Okay, let's make an attempt. I don't know how long I'm going to keep this on because this looks like it's going to make me hot. Let's cut off this end bit here. Cut this off. I'm not going to glue down the back, but still. I've never had a braided wig before. But let's see how this looks. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, I like it. Oh gosh. It's not that tight. I need it to be tight. Ooh. This is what it looks like. It's nice. Let me try and make it tighter. It's not that tight. It's not that tight. So what I'm going to do, because I don't have no needle and thread right now, it's too big for my head. So I'm going to get 3 elastic bands and I'm going to tie it on the band here. As tight as I can. Because the band's not tight and it's not adjustable, see? See, that should be better. Let's try this now. Yeah, that's better. Hold on, I'm struggling. That's better, that's tighter. Yeah, that's tighter. Yes, I like this. This is what it looks like, the lace. The lace. All over. It's nice, I love it. Whoa, Nice. All the parts. But I don't want to glue down all these baby hairs. What am I going to do with these? I have to make them smaller and thing. I don't really want baby hairs on it. But I suppose it looks alright with it, innit? How am I going to sleep in this, Richard? All this hair. Yeah, take it. It's a nice wig though. It's a nice wig. I don't lie. I like it. I love it. Yeah, it's really nice. Look, I'm in love with it. But I don't know what to do with these baby hairs. That's the thing. So let's move these out the way. I kind of like it. Cock up like that, you know. Get it out of the way. Get it out the way, baby. Okay, let's cut. I'm scared. Okay. I can't do this in the camera and the... Nope, gotta do it in here. So. And this is very thin. I might have to cut off some of the plait. Okay, I made a way to make it work. I'm gonna use this. Stay stuck. I don't know how many layers I'm gonna do because I don't know how long I'm keeping it on. And I'm not gonna put no wig cap. Dry. I'm scared, I don't want to spoil it. Okay, let's do this. Don't flap me enough. Where's the middle? I don't even know where the middle is. Where's the middle part? Is that the middle? tight. Look at it, it's even pulled up my eye. Oh yeah. This ain't going nowhere. This is tight. Your girl. Ooh. Your girl's got some red beige. Your girl's got some burgundy braids. Okay, shall I do some of these? Let's do some of these. Let's be extra and do some of these. Let's be extra. Cleopatra. These are so pretty. They're pretty, look. Let's be extra. Ooh. Let's be extra. How's that look? Or is that too much? Is that too much? Let's see. Look at that melt. Talk to me nice. Shut to me nice. See, look at the melt. Look at that. That's coming out my scalp. Hold on. What's going on here? This bit here needs doing. Yeah. This bit here needs some more glue. Don't flop me now. I missed out a whole chunk here, boy. But this side is good. I think I'm just gonna tongue them. I don't want to cut them. They're cute. I don't want to cut them. Not yet. Maybe when I install it again. Because I don't want to cut them. And I think I flopped the part in. That's probably why. Yeah, it's not in the middle. That's not the middle, is it? This parting doesn't look like the middle. I need my glasses. Yeah, look, the parting's off. The parting's supposed to be here. It's because I can't see without the glasses. Oh well, I'm not taking it off. I'm not taking it off. And don't come for me in the comments because I'm not a pro. I'm learning the thing, you get me? As long as I can do my own hair, then I'm good. Because I don't have them kind of money that waste on interest in my love. They're on Instagram. Support my girl, Shay. Support my girl, Shay. Okay. This lace is good, boy. The hair just coming out the scalp, brethren. And don't be shy to use the products. Hold on. Let's see how this lace is melted. I wish it was human hair so that I can just take the baby hairs and just flick them over and leave them fluffy. But it's not human hair. I'm scared to use the hot. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna use this Day Laid by Pretty Mob. Check her out on Instagram. Don't watch my comb, dirty, because I can't find no more. I'm scared to cut. See, it's gone. Maybe if I got like some rollers or something. I don't wanna I don't wanna cut them. But it's not human hair, so you know, see. I can't do edges. My eyes leaking because of my fan. I can't do edges to save my life. Come on, you can do this. You can do all things through Christ. Come on, help me, Jesus. Help me, Jesus. Let me turn off the fan. The fan's making me cry. The breeze. Come on. I don't know what I'm doing here. In it. I'm struggling. Well, this is what I got. Let's see how it looks when it dries. Because I can't do edges to save my life. That's what flopped me on this wig now. If it didn't have edges, then yeah, it would be okay. But I don't know why they put these dramatic long hair there for. Or maybe I shouldn't have glued them down. I should have just left them. Because it's synthetic hair. If it was human hair, I would have just bent it over with the straightener. We'll see how it comes out. Well, so, I don't like the edges, but it's the best I can do. Look. It's the best I can do. Maybe it needs to come down some more. I can't do edges to save my life. It's gonna have to stay like that. And then I flopped. I don't like how this should be in the middle. This should be in the middle. And then these two just fly off like that, so I guess I'll install it again. I don't want no baby hairs. I'm cutting them off. This is too much. Why they put so much baby hairs on the wig? I don't want the baby hairs. So I'm gonna cut it off. Okay, this is what I got. This is the best I can do. I had to cut off them baby hairs because they weren't saying one for me. I don't like too much baby hairs. This is the finished look. This is the finished look. This comes down here. This is the finished look.